Let's see the new feature which has been added in 2022 lineup, which is the 6-in-1 feature. As you know, in inverter AC, as soon as the room temperature is achieved, the compressor reduces its speed so that power consumption can also be reduced. So we have leveraged this technology and made it into a feature for customer, in which the customer, based on their requirement, can change the capacity of their AC. Currently it is a 1.5 ton AC, so it is running as a 1.5 ton AC at 100% capacity. On pressing the 6-in-1 button once, you will see that 80% is written on AC also and on remote also. It means now this particular AC is working on its 80% capacity only. For example, this is a 1.5 ton AC, so currently it is working as a 1.2 ton AC. It is cooling like that and will also consume less power. Once again, if I press it, it will go to 60%, which means it is working on its 60% capacity. So it is working as a 0.9 ton AC now. Once again, if I press it, it will go to 40. So currently this 1.5 ton AC is working as a 0.6 ton AC. In the attached table, you can see on what percentage, what kind of tonnage the AC will work on. So these four are for reduction of tonnage. 100%, since every AC works on its 100% capacity, the customers can reduce it to 80%, 60% or 40%. So these are the four modes which is written on the button AC plus 4. What is this AC? I will come to shortly. So let's see this 6-in-1 HCAPA. Now if any customer wants to increase the capacity of their AC, so by pressing this HC high capacity button, on the AC also HC is written and on remote also HC is written. So now this AC is working on its 110% capacity. It is a 1.5 ton AC, now it is working as a 1.7 ton AC. But high capacity mode will work for 90 minutes only in 2022 model. Prior to 2022 till 2021, this mode used to work for 30 minutes only. From 2022 onwards, this HC mode will work for 90 minutes. 5 we have seen: 110, 100, 80, 60 and 40. So these are the 5 modes. Now coming to the 6th mode, which is the AC mode. So 80, 60, 40. Then once again, if we press the 6-in-1 button, you will see that AC is written on the indoor unit and on remote also AC is written. So this is the AI convertible mode or auto climate mode. This is the new addition in 2022 models. In AC mode or AI convertible mode, we can set the temperature between 25 to 30 degrees only. You can see it is going till 30, but if I reduce, you can hear the beep sound, but it will not go below 25 degrees. So this is the first logic of AC mode. You can only set the temperature between 25 to 30 degrees. In AI convertible mode, the compressor will work at full speed until the room temperature is achieved till the set temperature. For example, currently the set temperature in AC mode is 25 degrees Celsius and suppose the room temperature is 32 degrees Celsius. So the compressor will work till room temperature is achieved to 25 degrees. In AC mode, the fan speed and swing will work automatically to achieve the set temperature at the earliest. You can see in the remote also there is no fan speed or swing symbol coming, because in AC mode fan speed and swing are automatically set. If I press the fan speed button, it will change from AC mode to cooling mode. Similarly, if I press the swing button, it will change. And normally if you want to remove the AC button, you can simply press if you are on AC mode, you can simply press the 6-in-1 button once. It will go to 100%, which is the rated capacity. On remote also you will see that temperature is now written. So this is the 6-in-1 feature which has been newly added in the 2022 lineup. Now coming to the bottom area, which is the setup. There you can see there is a sleep feature. In sleep feature you can set the timer between 1 hour till 7 hours. The minimum is 1 hour and the maximum is 7 hours. Once you press the sleep button, you will see that the sleep symbol is blinking and here 1H is written. So pressing these up and down arrow keys, you can increase as per your requirement. Maximum is 7 hours, and then after 7 if you press, it will go to 0 hours. Suppose you want to set the sleep timer for 3 hours. So after setting here 3H, you need to press the set and cancel button. In AC you will see 3H is written and a clock symbol is coming. After 5 seconds the display will turn off. This is also a newly added logic in 2022 lineup. After you set the sleep mode, the indoor LED will automatically get switch off. In this mode, the set temperature will increase by 2 degrees in the first hour. After that it will run at that temperature till the AC switched off after the set sleep time. To bring on the display you need to press the light off button again. If you want to cancel the sleep mode, you simply need to press the set and cancel button. Once you press, the clock will disappear and from the remote also the sleep symbol will go. So this is the sleep mode. Now coming to the next feature, which is this function key. You can see a gear symbol and FUNC written here. So by pressing this function button, you will see that the indoor symbol is blinking on the remote. To set it, we need to press the set and cancel button again. You can hear a beep sound, but nothing has happened. Why? Let's see. In the remote, this indoor symbol is now coming. So what is this feature? This is auto clean feature. In monsoon time, when there is high humidity, when you switch on the AC, some smell comes from the AC. When the EVA coil is wet, some fungus due to dirt can come on the EVA. After setting the auto clean feature, once you switch off your AC, this CO symbol will come and your compressor will switch off, but your indoor blower will keep on running and your swing will stop at a particular angle. So your indoor fan will work for 30 minutes to dry the evaporator coil. As you can see, the swing is coming back, but it will not close fully. It will remain open and the blower will keep on working for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the blower will switch off, this display will go and your AC will be switched off completely. To remove this auto clean, you can see here also, even when the remote is off, this symbol is coming because auto clean feature is currently set in this AC. To remove it, you need to press the function button again. It is blinking, and then press the set and cancel button. You can see the AC has taken the command, the symbol has gone and the swing is completely closed. So this is the auto clean feature. Now coming to the last feature of our AC, which is the timer feature. Before moving on to the timer feature, you need to set the current time in the AC first. Currently it is 3:45 PM. So I will set 4 PM in it. How to do it? You need to remove any cell from the remote. The display will go. Then again insert the cell. Put the cover back. You will see that a timer is now blinking. So with the help of these two buttons, up and down arrow keys, you need to set. Keep in mind the AM and PM, because if it is set wrongly, the timer feature will work according to this particular set time only. So I will set 4 PM. Currently it is AM. Once the set time is reached, press the set and cancel button. Now you can see that 4 PM is now set in our remote. To put any on or off timer, you need to press the timer button. You will see that now on is blinking. But since this AC is currently on, we can set off timer also. So once again press the off timer. Now you can see that off is blinking, and at the right side 6 p.m. is written. So you need to set the desired time. There is a minimum limit of 10 minutes in timer. So suppose I want to switch it off at 4:10. So after setting 4:10 in the remote, I need to press the set and cancel button. You can hear the beep sound. The clock symbol is now coming on the indoor unit, and on remote also you can see that off is now coming. Suppose you want to switch this AC on, again press the on timer button. Now on is blinking. It is written here 6 a.m. Suppose you want to switch it on at 4:20 p.m. set, press the set and cancel button. Again the beep sound, and on remote you will see that both on and off are written. To remove all the timer, you simply need to press the set and cancel button. The timer symbol also will go from the indoor, and from remote also the on and off symbol will disappear. So these were the features of 2022 AC lineup. Thank you.